Hello there, welcome to this channel, a creative and inspiring place where natural beauty, craftsmanship, and imagination come together to help you create your own furniture from nature-gifted wood. This channel is dedicated to people who love working with natural materials and believe that wood, in its pure and organic form, has a story to tell. Here, we explore how nature's gifts can be transformed into functional furniture that adds warmth, character, and meaning to living spaces. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced maker, this space is designed to encourage creativity and confidence. Have you ever seen a raw piece of wood taken directly from nature and shaped into a beautiful table, chair, or shelf that feels truly alive? Nature-gifted wood carries unique grain patterns, textures, and colors that cannot be replicated by artificial materials. By creating your own furniture from such wood, you are not just building an object, but forming a deep connection with the material. Each knot, curve, and grain becomes part of the design, making every piece one of a kind. Creating furniture from nature-gifted wood teaches patience, respect, and appreciation for natural resources. The process begins with understanding the wood, its strength, and how it responds to tools and shaping. This journey allows makers to slow down, work mindfully, and enjoy the transformation from raw material to finished piece. Furniture created this way feels more personal and meaningful because it reflects both the hand of the maker and the beauty of nature. This channel is here to inspire you to trust your creativity and explore the endless possibilities of nature-gifted wood. By designing and building your own furniture, you bring authenticity and sustainability into your home. Thank you for joining this creative journey with us. We hope these ideas encourage you to see wood not just as material, but as a natural gift waiting to be transformed into something beautiful and lasting. Creating your own furniture from nature-gifted wood is a deeply meaningful and creative journey that connects human hands with the natural world. Nature-gifted wood carries history, texture, and life within it, shaped by time, weather, and growth. When transformed into furniture, it becomes more than an object. It becomes a story of respect for nature and craftsmanship. This approach celebrates authenticity over perfection. It reminds us that true beauty often comes from natural imperfections. Nature-gifted wood offers a unique character that cannot be manufactured. Each piece contains individual grain patterns, knots, and natural curves that guide the design process. These features inspire creativity rather than limit it. Furniture made this way feels alive and personal. No two pieces are ever the same. Working with natural wood encourages a slower and more thoughtful process. Unlike mass-produced materials, nature-gifted wood requires observation and patience. Makers must study the grain direction, moisture content, and strength before shaping. This careful approach leads to better results and deeper understanding. The process becomes as valuable as the final piece. Creating your own furniture builds a strong emotional connection to the finished product. Every cut, joint, and finish reflects effort and intention. This connection makes furniture more meaningful and cherished. Handmade pieces often become lifelong possessions. They carry memories of the making process. Nature-gifted wood supports sustainable and responsible craftsmanship. Using fallen trees, reclaimed logs, or responsibly sourced wood reduces environmental impact. This approach honors the natural life cycle of wood. It transforms waste into purpose. Sustainability becomes part of the creative process. Furniture made from natural wood brings warmth and calm into living spaces. The organic textures soften modern interiors and create balance. Wood naturally creates a sense of comfort and grounding. This atmosphere supports relaxation and well-being. Homes feel more welcoming and peaceful. Designing furniture from nature-gifted wood encourages creativity without strict rules. Natural shapes inspire unique designs that follow the wood's form. Makers learn to adapt ideas rather than force perfection. This flexibility leads to innovative and expressive furniture. Creativity flows naturally. Nature-gifted wood allows furniture to reflect personal style and values. Each piece can be customized in size, shape, and finish. This freedom makes furniture deeply personal. It becomes an extension of the maker's identity. Personal expression is central to the process. Handcrafted furniture teaches practical skills and problem-solving. Makers learn measuring, joinery, finishing, and tool control. Mistakes become lessons rather than failures. Skills grow with every project. Confidence builds through hands-on experience. Natural wood also teaches respect for materials. Makers learn to minimize waste and use every piece thoughtfully. Small offcuts can become accents or decor. This mindset encourages mindful creation. Nothing is taken for granted. Nature-gifted wood furniture often blends beautifully with many interior styles. Rustic, modern, minimalist, and traditional spaces all benefit from natural wood elements. Wood adapts easily and adds harmony. Its versatility makes it timeless. It never feels out of place. The process of creating furniture from natural wood can be therapeutic. The sound of tools, the feel of wood, and the slow progress promote mindfulness. Many find it calming and stress-relieving. It offers an escape from fast-paced routines. Creativity becomes a form of relaxation. Furniture made from nature-gifted wood carries a sense of authenticity. It reflects honesty in materials and construction. There is no attempt to hide imperfections. These details add charm and character. Authenticity becomes part of the design. Natural wood ages beautifully over time. Scratches and marks add character rather than reducing value. Furniture becomes richer with age. This aging process tells a story of use in life. It makes pieces more meaningful. Creating your own furniture allows full control over quality. Makers choose strong joints and solid construction. This results in durable and long-lasting pieces. Quality is not compromised for speed. Furniture is built to endure. Nature-gifted wood also supports a deeper connection to tradition. Woodworking has been practiced for generations. Creating furniture by hand honors these traditions. It connects modern makers with historical craftsmanship. This continuity adds depth to the experience. Using natural wood encourages learning about trees and ecosystems. Makers gain appreciation for growth patterns and natural processes. This knowledge builds environmental awareness. Craft becomes educational. Respect for nature grows naturally. Furniture made from nature-gifted wood often becomes a focal point in living spaces. Guests notice its uniqueness and character. These pieces invite conversation and admiration. They stand out through authenticity. Handmade furniture tells a visible story. Creating furniture from natural wood also encourages independence and self-reliance. Makers gain the ability to design and build rather than buy. This skill brings satisfaction and pride. It empowers creativity. Self-made furniture feels rewarding. Natural wood furniture pairs beautifully with other natural elements. Stone, plants, metal, and textiles complement its texture. Together, they create balanced and organic interiors. Homes feel connected to nature. Design feels harmonious. The journey of creating furniture from nature-gifted wood teaches patience and humility. Not every piece turns out perfectly, and that is part of the beauty. Learning to accept imperfections builds character. Growth happens through practice. The process becomes fulfilling. Nature-gifted wood inspires respect for time. Trees take years to grow, and furniture should be made thoughtfully. This perspective changes how we value objects. Slowness becomes meaningful. Creation becomes intentional. Ultimately, creating your own furniture from nature-gifted wood is about harmony between human creativity and natural beauty. It combines sustainability, craftsmanship, and personal expression. Each piece reflects care, effort, and respect for nature. This approach transforms furniture into art with purpose. In summary, creating your own furniture from nature-gifted wood is a powerful and rewarding experience that blends creativity, craftsmanship, and respect for nature. By working with natural wood, each piece becomes unique, carrying its own character, texture, and story. This approach encourages mindful creation, sustainable practices, and a deeper appreciation for materials that are shaped by time and nature rather than machines alone. This journey is not only about building furniture, but also about personal growth and connection. Through patience, learning, and hands-on effort, makers develop valuable skills and confidence while producing furniture that brings warmth and authenticity into living spaces. Every handmade piece reflects care, intention, and individuality, making it far more meaningful than mass-produced items. Thank you sincerely for spending your time with us and being part of this creative journey. Your interest and support truly inspire us to continue sharing ideas that celebrate nature-gifted wood and handmade furniture. We hope this content encourages you to create with confidence, respect natural resources, and enjoy the lasting beauty of furniture made by your own hands.